Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today I have the mystery box number 4. I tore the tape off a little bit so I could get the address off, but I have not touched it. In some of my other unboxings I opened it and used it and then put it in the box and said I'm unboxing it newly. But this one's actually legit. There's still a little bit of here that I haven't touched, and the bottom is still taped shut. I have not touched it yet. So before we start the video, let's move to the top view. Yeah, so open it here.
Oh, yeah, it's recording.
Yeah, it is. So we're gonna open it, and so first off, it has the regular tape, or not tape, the paper. And yes, we have the Evan Gao, like, little logo here. My predictions for the box is the YoyoFactory Edge Beyond is gonna be in here. So I don't want to look at the back because there is a spoiler on the back, but I knew it's from Evan. Wait, it is Evan's, but it's not the Edge Beyond. It is the Kalau. Oh, okay. Here, so look, I think it's an unbimetal edge. The Kalau, right there. Oh, in the last mystery box, it came with the arrow, and it didn't have these hubs, and they said they'd add it to this mystery box, and there it is. Sweet. It came with, so it came with 2 yo-yos in this little 2 yo-yo container thing. I'm gonna do that last. And we got the, they still have 2017 cards. Okay, I thought they would make some new ones for this, but not. I guess not. Oh, and this is Evan Nagao's signature plutonium string. I've heard about this. This is like really good and nice stuff. Okay, so we've already been spoiled by this yo-yo. We already know it's that one. But what colorway? That's my question. Let's open it up here. Oh, sweet! It's a complete Edge or Evan Nagao mystery box. It has the whoa, this is a weird little texture here. It has the new the Koal? Koalo? I can't read this name, but here, let's get a better view of it right here. It has the classic edge, but I think it just isn't bimetal. And it has the Evan Nagao YoyoFactory thing. And it's, other than that, it's just all clean, and it has natural response pads. That's sweet. And it came with the new wedge 2018, not 17. And it's kind of weird. This wedge, you can't grind on, it feels like, because it's really sticky, which is going to be a really interesting thing. I'm going to try it and we'll see. But it said that it had an exclusive colorway, and I guess this is the exclusive colorway. Clear with gold sparkles in it. That's sweet. I actually wonder, and it comes with natural response pads. I do wonder if that's just sparkles or gold, because it does look a little bit different than if it was sparkles. As the red caps right there. And I have my arrow right here. And let's quick put the caps on it because it was extremely light before. You just pop them in, I guess. Entirely Evan Nagao's pack. It has the wedge, the Kalau, and some dark matter. I believe this is not bearing lube, it is bearing treatment, so it like... yeah, so now I'm gonna just quick open these 2 card things in camera. We have Ann Connolly, John Ando, and Jacob Gross. Sweet. But yeah, so we got the wedge and the Kalau here. And this is the back. I didn't want to look at it because I would have seen what the mystery color is. The mystery box itself came with Evan's signature plutonium string, the Kalau, wedge, 2018, some dark matter. This isn't a part of it. A bunch of cards, the overlay design for the whole thing, and a sticker pack. I'm gonna quick take a peek at these stickers here. The Edge Nation, okay. There's one. The Kalau sticker again. Nagao, national champion, and a wedge sticker. Those are sweet. And also, if you got the last mystery box and you got the arrow in it, this mystery box came with the caps for the arrow. So you can just put those in. It's fairly simple. You just pop them in. You have to give it a decent amount of pressure, but they stick in and they're not coming back out. So, yeah, this is my favorite mystery box because the last one had the arrow and the Marco, and those were both fairly new at the time, and the Marco, I believe, is too heavy. And then the arrow was too light. I'm going to have to try it with the hubcaps on it. I'm going to be doing a review on both of these yo-yos in the future, so stay tuned on my channel to see those. The special edition, I know there's a lot of wedge stuff out there, but this is just the special edition. And then the Kulao right here, on bimetal edge, with a few little differences, because this thing right here, they have this in the regular edge, but it's much than the other one. I'm excited to try the plutonium string. That's going to be really cool. But thank you all for watching the video, and see you in the next one.